Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to archive a chat on WhatsApp using the updated method. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Launch the WhatsApp application on your Android smartphone or tablet. You can find the WhatsApp icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. 2. Long press on the chat you want to archive. Press and hold on the chat conversation that you wish to archive until a small green tick appears next to the user's profile picture. 3. Tap on the archive button at the top of the screen. Once you see the green tick next to the chat, locate the archive button at the top of the screen and tap on it. This action will archive the selected chat, moving it out of your main chat list. By following these steps, you can efficiently archive a chat on WhatsApp using your Android device. Archiving chats on WhatsApp helps you declutter your chat list while still retaining access to the conversation when needed. This feature is helpful for organizing your chats and keeping your WhatsApp messages organized. Thank you for watching, and enjoy keeping your WhatsApp chats tidy by archiving them using these simple steps.